How to fix following too fast on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from AppGuide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually fix following too fast on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now sometimes what happens is that, let's say you're trying to follow someone on TikTok, but it simply says that you're following too fast. Now when TikTok says following too fast, it simply means that you have been following too fast on TikTok. As it's as simple as that. It only means that you have been following too fast. You have to understand there are some kind of limit to the TikTok following list. That is that you can only follow up to 200 accounts in one single day and at a maximum of 10,000 accounts on your account overall. So in my case, you can see the following list. I can follow still more than 9,000 people. If you have crossed over the 10,000 following limit, you're trying to follow more people, you'll not be able to do that. I would also recommend you to simply put a gap between your following lists, such as follow 3 to 4 people and then simply put a stop, and then again follow 3 to 4 people and then simply put a stop. Because if you're following too many accounts on TikTok at once, TikTok is going to notice that as a spammy and bot-like behavior. This is only done for the security purpose. There's nothing really wrong with the account. Also make sure you're not following more than 200 accounts a day. And hope this answered your question. If it did help you and answered the question in other way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.